when removing the seat from your Scion XB. This applies from 2008 to 2015. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, you can start off with yourself with a 14mm. Doesn't have to be this long of a socket. You can go shorter socket, whatever fits you best. But you can go ahead and take out this one and that guy over there. Now these should be pretty tight, so you may need a breaker bar. There we go. Remember, the bigger your bar, the longer the bar, the better the leverage you have on breaking it. Excuse my mess, I haven't vacuumed this in a little bit and it's been sitting. And then go ahead and grab your lever and slide this forward the best you can. Now right here is the next piece. We get the focus. You can see this little tab. This is how you take off the rear cover. You just come up right here, take this, you're gonna pull it towards the outside of the car. There you go. And you can just kick it off. And there is the next bolt, which I'm actually going to go to the back seat to get. Now you won't have a lot of working room. So you may want to get an extension for this. Alright. Now, just like this one, there was a tab right here. There's actually a tab on the inside, not the inside. So go right here. And it just comes right out. Now this one goes here. Take your socket and wrench and bring it towards the back seat. Now if you have an impact, obviously this would just speed up the process, but if you don't, hand tools will work just fine. Go. And now, time to take the seat out. So you want to go ahead and recline this all the way back. Be careful. Lift this. That will keep the front of the seat up. And now you can go ahead and tip it backwards to get underneath for the sensor, which is right here. So once the seat is tilted back, you're going to see this black plug on your left and then the yellow one to the right. The one in the yellow is the airbag sensor, and the one on the left is the seat sensor. So please go and disconnect your battery now before you touch them. but you lift the white clip up. There you go, and that disconnects. And the black clip has a clip on the bottom. You squeeze the bottom of it. This one's a lot harder, and that's clear. And now the seat can come out. Now, once you're taking the seat out, you may have this clip to remove from, let's see, this hole right here. You can just push the tabs in on the bottom and force it through, or use a screwdriver to pry against the metal bracket in here to pull it out. And that's it. That's all you have to do, and reinstall the seat. So now you want to go ahead and lean the seat back forward, and when you lift it out, be very careful the legs don't scratch the plastic, the paint, or yourself. And again, just make sure you tighten everything back down, and don't forget your plastic covers. You can go ahead and slide these guys on. You can't mix them up, they only go on one way, and each side is unique to its side, or unique to its, there we go.